Hi, welcome back to another video. We are going to do a review today for this kit. I think this is the biggest kit they do. Well, it's the biggest kit on Amazon they do. What I'll do is I'll leave a link to the kit. From what I remember on the advert, there's 4 different kits you can get, and this is obviously the most expensive one they do by the looks of it. I think this was $41.99 or something like that, but it's quite big. It is. I'll let you read that bit. Right, Gershion. 8 years in the making, Gershion aims to establish a professional manicure online mall which provides all kind of high quality manicure tools for the nail technician or nail addicts. That'll be me. Thank you for choosing Gershion. Wish Gershion beautify and light your life. I love this. It's lovely. Right, let's pull the beast out. As I said, it's come from Amazon. I will leave a picture of it. I will. Right, we've got a little card. We are so excited for you to try our Gershion products. We cannot wait to see what content you create. Thank you for being part of the Gershion Nail Salon collection campaign. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. And there is a Facebook page and an email there. So good. So basically it's giving you a little instruction what to do. It is. Okay. Right, let's have a look what we got. Oh, I didn't realise that was taped down. Right, so you've got, well, that's quite firm. I'm pressing that quite hard. It's not going anywhere. 100-180 washable file, which I like. You've got some forms. I'm just trying to have a look, see if there's what size they go up to. I will have a look in a second off camera. What's the biggest size in there? Because I can't see for the life of me. Right, you got a base coat and a top coat. Well, they're quite nice, heavy. They're glass bottles. I should give you a warning on the back. They are 8mm. Let's have a whiff. Always gotta have a whiff. A little bit of a smell to it, but it smells quite sweet actually. Yeah, same with that. It smells like the base coat is more smelly than the top coat. That's quite a nice top coat feel actually. It's not thick, it's not thin, it's just sort of like in between. I hate gloopy top coats. Okay, so that's those two. Just have a look at the brush. That's quite nice. Ooh, that's a firm spatula. I'm pressing on that quite hard, as you can see, and that ain't moving nowhere. Oh, I need a new brush too. That's a nice brush. Get rid of the rubbish out of it. Yep, I like that. I'm not going to put the thing back on because I'm going to use it in a minute. Just put that back in there. Put that over there. Right, we have got clear. We've got white. Got natural pink, dark pink, cover pink, and bean red. What's bean red? Never heard of that before. That down there. Okie dokie. They are 30mm, which is a nice size. Oh, how did I know they were going to have them on? Please don't do what I've just done, which is remove it with your teeth. So that doesn't feel too hard and it doesn't feel too soft. And they are actually full to the... I can feel that. That's full. It is. Okay. White. I'm not going to open all of these. I'm just going to use the clear probably for now, or I might even use one of the pinks. So you've got white. What I don't want to do is open them and then go off. Natural pink. Dark pink. Cover pink. And bean red. I am going to open this because I'm interested. Oh, that's quite nice. I think I'm going to use this one, you know, because I'm intrigued. And once again, that feels full to me. So yeah, let me get some tips and that, and then we'll give it a go. Okay, I'm not going to use the dual forms because I don't want to open the packet unnecessarily. So we are going to base coat them first. So I've got quite a lot on there. So base coat's giving off a little bit of a smell, more than what I'm usually used to. But it's applying really nice. It's not a nasty smell, it's quite a sweet smelling thing, which I'm surprised about. Right, I'm just going to pop those in the lamp. Okay, this one is bean red. Let me put a top on the other end of the brush because I don't want to ruin the brush. Right, just going to put the top back on that for the moment. Just give that a quick wipe. Okie dokie. Go under there, you. What I want to do is touch that. Right, that's quite, it's not soft, but it's quite amenable to move around. It's not bad. So that's not as dark as what I thought it was going to be. Just put that on the end. Okay, right, I have filed and buffed off camera. I've given this a good go, which is great. This is great for your sidewalls, absolutely brilliant. And as you can see, I've only used that part of it, I haven't used the other end, so it's quite firm. So I definitely rate the this quite a lot. And then, as you know, polygel, or if you didn't know, is quite easy to file anyway, so that is good. Right, we are going to give this top coat a go. I'll tell you what, let's move that out of the way, otherwise it just gets in my way. I mean, obviously you can put nail polish over the top of this. Now, I haven't put a huge amount of polygel on. I haven't built up the apex, only because these are not going to go on somebody's nails. These just go in a tub in the drawer. And I do apologise, there's going to be a siren. I have got the windows closed. It's quite a nice colour though. They didn't take long to file actually. I think I was filing for about 7 minutes. Okay, so that's quite nice. That don't give off so much of the smell as the base coat does. Right, I'm going to put them in the lamp and then I'll be back. Right, that's cured in 30 seconds. When I put the base coat on, I did that for 30 seconds as well, because it don't actually tell you in here how long to put the base coat on for, and there's nothing on the bottle to say the time. It's just got a warning sign on the back. So, but my lamp usually cures most things in 30 seconds, but even they're telling the polygel is 30 to 60 seconds, so I've just done 30. So yeah, I really like these, and I really like this colour as well. It's really nice. Definitely like it. Right, so yeah, I will leave a link in the descriptions, pinned to the top of the comments as well, and I will leave you a photo of the Amazon page where I got this from. I want to say a quick thank you to Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station. I will leave her link as well, so she knows why I'm saying thank you. And yeah, I'm going to recycle these nails and I'm going to use them for Christmas decoration nails in my next video, because I don't like to waste things, so we are recycling. But yeah, definitely worth the money. I know 42 quid is a lot of money, especially this time of year, but they honestly, they are full. They are. I can feel how full they are. It's like when I'm doing that, I am actually pushing into the material inside. I can feel it. So that's good. I'm just trying to think. No, I was just having a look at my ones, but my ones are smaller. The ones what I've got, the polygel what I bought off AliExpress. So yeah, if you're going to buy a kit, I would go for this. The only thing what's missing is slip solution, but if you're doing your nails, you should have alcohol in amongst your stuff what you've got anyway. So I will leave some photos at the end of the nails so you can have a look, and yeah, all good stuff. Right, I will see you in my next video. Alright, bye.